The Catalan Parliament approves a declaration of sovereignty. Now, what does this mean? Basically, this means that we consider the people of Catalonia mature, of age, and capable of deciding their own future. This starts a process of self-determination following the mandate of a huge demonstration, millions of people in the streets of Barcelona, who then went to the ballot box and elected parties which are, in an overwhelming majority, favorable of pushing through this process of self-determination. Now, this could lead us to full independence if the people of Catalonia decide so. What we're doing now is stating that we are capable, the people are sovereign and capable of pushing this process through.